OFM Sport.
Well, you guys have a couple of weeks now to sort out the plans for the Curry Cup. How are you feeling going into the game? It's just a couple of days out.
Yeah, look, I'm positive. We had a couple of injuries, but mostly the guys are back and everybody's fit and training and the vibe's good. So yeah, I think everybody's quite confident. Yeah.
There is a bit of a feel that this Curry Cup might be a little bit more competitive going into the season if one looks at the plans of the bigger unions. Does it make it harder for you guys to almost prepare for the Lions, as we're not quite sure what might happen? There might be a couple of Free Staters making their debuts, or former Cheetahs making their debuts, but is it more kind of focus on yourselves and almost think about what Mzwaki has been doing over the last couple of seasons?
Yeah, look, I think they're a quality outfit, and they're a bunch of good guys that's coaching over there. So I think for me is we can only control what we can, and the rest.
Recording in progress.
The rest, it's not up to us. So doing our stuff well, executing our plan, that's in our hands. So hopefully we can do that.
And the biggest work that you guys had during this little mini preseason now, what was the one thing that I won't say was worrying you, but you felt that maybe needed some attention?
Look, we did spend some time on fitness, and then small things like carry-wise, our breakdown work and stuff like that. We need to get better at that still. And then it's only 2 weeks, so how much can you change in 2 weeks? So it's still a process, and during the Curry Cup we need to get better at some stuff. So we'll see after the first game and going into the second one and so forth.
Niels, Frans touched on the breakdown on that. That is something that was quite clear throughout the SA Cup, and that you had challenges where you guys did struggle. But how confident are you as a flanker, loose forward, with that aspect of the game? Because ultimately a lot of that falls into your department.
No, I think like Frans mentioned, now it was 2 weeks we had to work on it, but fitness we also worked on. So I think if you're a fit team, obviously your breakdown is going to be better as well. And the type of rugby we want to play, we require a quick ball, and so now look, I'm confident in our loose forward department and obviously in our forwards that is something that's going to be better this Curry Cup. Yeah.
You probably could ask for better challenges in facing the Lions first up. It's a team that made the final last year. They were within seconds or one poor piece of ill discipline away from winning the Curry Cup. They did exceptionally well in the URC this past season. They were probably the top South African team by winning the conference. So a really good measure for you guys first up.
No, definitely. I think it doesn't matter who they pick. If they pick some youth or youngsters with more experienced guys, or if they go just experience, or they go more focus on giving the younger guys a shot, doesn't matter, because just like Frans said, they have good coaches. I think they can see they're exceptionally well coached, and they are talented rugby players. They're good rugby side and a good outfit. So it doesn't matter to us. And like you just mentioned, all those stuff you just mentioned, it's a nice team to be playing in your first Curry Cup game to measure yourself against and see where you are as a team.
And just lastly, for me, now's also probably the time to try and collect points against them, seeing that they still have quite a lot of guys in Georgia with the junior books. So a good opportunity.
No, it is a good opportunity. But like I've mentioned now, I've watched the under-23 campaign, and I think some of the junior books was away during that time as well. And they're a good team. So it doesn't matter who they're going to pick. It's going to be a tough challenge for us. And we're going to have to play good rugby to get a positive result.